Well, here it is, the Losi Desert Baja Ray in the box, and now out of the box. I don't think I'm going to get to run it tonight, but just wanted to give a quick look at it here. I'll get it out of the cardboard here in a second, and then I'll be right back. All right, just a quick look at it here underneath. Tires are very soft, but feel pretty good. That's what we got there. Does look good. Well, that's how it looks sitting out of the box. Like every other RTR, it comes with a controller and a bag of instructions and some batteries for that. I did forget that it uses a battery connector that I do not currently have, so I have to make a trip back to the hobby store tomorrow to get an adapter for that. So won't be able to run it now till probably tomorrow night. Too bad.